So today this video is going to be about how to convert an equation in standard form,
which is expressed as ax to the power of 2 plus bx plus c,
into an equation in vertex form, which is y equals a times a minus h squared plus k.
So first we're going to start off with a simple example, which is x squared plus 10x plus 25. So first you're going to package terms a and b within a bracket and leave c the way it is. This should get you x squared plus 10x, and you're going to leave 25, which is the c term the way it is outside the bracket.
So now our next step is to complete the square. So in this bracket we already have our a value and our b value. We just need to find our c value. This can be determined by a simple expression. B divided by 2 squared. So let's plug in our b value, which is 10, into this expression. So we get 10 divided by 2 squared, which gives us 5 squared, which is 25.
So basically now you plug in 25, but you're going to plug in two terms with different signs. So you get x squared plus 10x plus 25 and minus 25. And then you just write the c term the way it is. After that, you combine the last term, which is negative 25, with c. And that should get you x squared plus 10x plus 25. And when you combine negative 25 with 25, you basically get 0, so you don't really have to write anything.
So our last step is to write this equation in the form of vertex form. So basically what you have to do, as you know, is this is a perfect square equation. So our final answer would be x plus 5 squared. So the square root of x is x, and the square root of 25 is 5.
So at the end, you're basically going to do y equals, a is 1 because the leading coefficient is 1. So you could just go like y equals 1, x plus 5 to the power of 2, and k doesn't really have any value, so I guess you could say plus 0, but it's not mandatory. So this is our second question, and this is a bit more difficult than the previous question because the leading coefficient is no longer 1, and instead it is 4. So what you first want to do is that you want to package the equation just like the question before. So you get 4x squared plus 8x and plus 16c term stays the way it is outside the bracket. After that, you want to make sure that the leading coefficient of a is 1. So you're going to divide everything within the bracket by 4. And this should get you 4x squared plus 2x plus 16. After that, you have to remember the equation again, which is b divided by 2 to the power of 2. So the b term in this case is 2x. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 1 to the power of 2 is 1. So you get 4x to the power of 2 plus 2x, and you include two terms but with opposite signs. So plus 1 and minus 1, and then plus 16.
So you have to bring this negative 1 out of the bracket and beside plus 16. So we have to, since this bracket is being multiplied by 4, we have to multiply negative 1 by 4 as well. So we end up with 4 times x squared plus 2x plus 1. And then minus 1 times 4 is negative 4 plus 16. And this simplifies to 4 times x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus 12.
The final step basically includes factoring this and getting into vertex form. So you're basically going to get y equals 4, which is basically a, and the square root of x squared is x, and the square root of 1 is 1 to the power of 2 plus 12, which is k in this case.